Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'm going to be opening new fan mail, or as I like to call it, friend mail, because I consider all of you my friends. So let's go ahead and open this stuff up. First we have this little letter right here, so I'm just going to open this one up, see what's inside. I really like how this is set up inside the envelope. And it says, "Hi, my name is Grant. You sent me the Marauders map templates and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes brochure and more cool items for my birthday. I remember this. I really appreciate these awesome gifts. Thank you. Sincerely, Grant." Well, you're welcome, Grant. Yeah, your mom actually got a hold of me and was asking how she could get a hold of some of the templates and things. If anybody else is looking for them, there are 7 templates that I really just can't supply to you guys anymore because there was a whole thing with Warner Brothers and I don't want to go through that again. So there are certain things that I just can't do, but I know there is a Dropbox somewhere that some of my subscribers put together, and it has some of the old templates in it and you can download them from there. I just can't directly give you those. So if you want to find that link, if it's still even up, you can go to the community section from my YouTube channel. It's a tab along the top, just click community, and the first or second post there has the link to that Dropbox. Like I said, I'm not really at all affiliated with that Dropbox link. I don't know exactly who put that up, but it was found in the comment section of my videos, so I figured I'd post it there just in case anybody wants to take a look. So if you want to get a hold of my old templates, you can find them there. But yeah, Grant, so that's where I gave you the Marauders map templates that way, sort of, but it wasn't directly from me, so keep that in mind. But yes, I did send Grant the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes brochure and some other things for his birthday because his mom said that he loved Harry Potter, and hey, I thought, why not? There you go. So happy birthday, Grant, and I really hope you enjoyed the items. Now, I got these 2 packages, and they're both, I believe, from, let me see, one's from Vietnam. Oh, and the other is, looks like from China, so maybe they are from 2 different people. They're just packaged so similarly that I would think that they're from the same place, but let's find out. Okay. Ooh, it looks like a necklace of some kind. Let's open this up. Ooh, is that supposed to be the Philosopher's Stone? Let's see. Yeah, I think this, I would guess, is supposed to be the Philosopher's Stone. And then this is clearly a golden snitch necklace. Really cool. I do like both of these. I especially like this snitch one, but this Philosopher's Stone one is really cool too. Thank you. I'm not sure who sent that to me. There was no note with it. It doesn't, I can't really see a name. So whoever sent this to me, thank you. I appreciate it. Let's get into this next one. And I'm guessing this is from the same place. This one's a little tough to get. It's a little tough to get open. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Never mind. I got it. There we go. Here we go. All right, yes, this is packaged exactly the same, and it looks like this is another couple of necklaces, it looks like. This necklace is a vial of Felix Felicis. And we have another one here. This one is, whoa, like a bracelet, it looks like. So here you go. As you can see, there's a ton of little charms on here. There's a sorting hat over here. This that says always. You know, there's just a whole bunch of stuff across here. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I probably wouldn't wear this because it's, well, you know, it's kind of like a feminine bracelet, but yeah, it's really cool. So yeah, whoever sent me this as well as the other necklaces and stuff, I didn't see your name on the packaging anywhere, and it doesn't look like there's any kind of like note on the inside as to who it came from. So whoever did that, thank you. And if you're watching this video, leave a comment below so I know who you are. All right, next we have a letter here to open. Here we go. Oh, okay, here we go. I had it backwards. I was looking at the wrong side and I was like, that's not a full sentence. Okay, here we go. I got it. It says, "Hi Danny, I've really been enjoying your videos. I'm in a book club with a group of friends and I was telling them about your Harry Potter board game. So we thought we'd like to try this with the book series we're currently reading. But with Harry Potter, you've done the hard part, so we were wondering what software you use and do you have a step-by-step instruction template?" I actually don't. I used Photoshop to do, I mean, pretty much all the templates that I make, I use Photoshop. I do have some beginner tutorials on my channel, but they didn't really get much interest from what I could tell, so I just didn't do too many more, or too many of those types of videos. But I could do a couple more probably if you think that's something you want to see. "You really seem to enjoying your work and we're hoping it's okay to ask." Yes, it's definitely okay to ask. "None of us has tried anything like this and it looks really fun. I know you make it look easy and it's probably tedious hard work." Yeah, it is a lot of hard work and it's very time consuming. Yep, you're right, it's time consuming. "Thanks, I look forward to hearing from you, Crystal," and I won't say your last name. Okay, cool, so I've got her email and her mailing address. So yeah, I'll definitely get back with you. Thanks for sending the letter. It's always just seems a little more personal and I don't know, different to actually get a physical letter rather than an email. So thanks for sending the letter. I do enjoy getting letters from people. So yeah, and I will get back with you. I'll email you in a bit about, you know, everything you asked about. Okay, and then I've got this one last envelope to open. And it's from Letitia Beaujard Professional Photography. And this is one of my patrons, as well as a follower on Instagram, and obviously a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So, and I've had this for a little while, but I didn't open it yet because I just wanted to get some other things before I did just, you know, open one letter. So here we go. There's multiple things in here. Oh, feels like some things are a little stuck in there. Let's see. Just kind of caught on the corner. So I've got a letter from Letitia here that I will read. So it says, "Hi Danny, I really love your work and I made a bunch of your items. I even bought some in your Etsy. I am one of your patrons," yes, "and as a professional photographer, I use the templates in my photos to embellish them. I decided to send you some of my prints and a montage I made. It happens that I made those a lot. I hope you'll like it. You are now officially a Hufflepuff. Hi from France." All right, so let's see what we got. Whoa, okay. That's me photoshopped onto, honestly, I think that might be Cedric, but yeah, there I am. I'm a Hufflepuff. Thank you. That's really good Photoshop work. And then we've got some more photography in here. And here's the Triwizard Tournament Cup, and these name tags around here, the pieces of paper, parchment with the names on them, are from my templates. Very nice photo. Next we have the werewolf, and this was also on one of my downloads for the Printables Volume 1, I think, the very first one that I did. And here we go, this is another one from one of my Printables videos. Really beautiful photography though, I love the colors. Oh, here's another one of me as a Hufflepuff. It's really kind of eerie to see myself there because I know I was never standing there in that. And here we have the Elder Wand and Tales of Beetle the Bard. We have Dumbledore here. Oh, and Dumbledore's letter to Grindelwald. Whoops. We've got the Chocolate Frog card where Dumbledore has gone away. And also the pattern back there is the Gryffindor pattern for the notebooks that I did. Very nice. And he's back. Dumbledore has returned. Another nice shot of the letter to Grindelwald from Albus Dumbledore. And there's my practical pocket book of spells. And the Hogwarts library checkout card. And here's some inner pages on the practical pocket book of spells. And these are really beautiful photographs. Thank you for sending me these. This is very, very cool. I will definitely have to get some type of like album to put these in. But for now, I'll just slide them back in there. But that's awesome. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And that's really impressive putting my face on, I'm guessing that Cedric Diggory is what it kind of looks like. So thank you so much. But yeah, that is it for this friend mail opening. Thank you to everybody who sent me something this time around. This will be the October fan mail opening. And if anybody wants to send me some more things to open on my channel, I'll open it up in my next friend mail opening video. You can find my address in the description box below. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.